This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get an API key for Crypto.com. This is the only way to programmatically interact with your exchange account. First, you will need to log into your Crypto.com exchange account through a web browser, as this feature is not available on the mobile application. It is crucial to have two-factor authentication enabled for your account's security. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right-hand corner, and then select API Management or API Keys from the menu. Now that you are in the API Management section, you will see an option to create a new API key. Click this button to begin the process. You will be prompted to give your API key a descriptive label. Choose something that helps you easily identify its purpose. After labeling, you must enter your two-factor authentication code to confirm the creation. Once generated, both your API key and its corresponding secret key will be displayed. It is critical to copy and securely store the secret key at this moment, as it will not be visible again. After generating your API key, the next vital step is to configure its permissions. By default, new API keys usually have CAN-read access, allowing them to view your account information and market data. If your application needs to place or cancel orders, you must explicitly enable trading permissions. For maximum security, it is strongly recommended to avoid enabling withdrawal permissions unless absolutely necessary, as this significantly increases risk. Always grant the minimum permissions required for your intended use. Securing your API key is paramount to protecting your assets. One of the most effective measures is enabling IP whitelisting, which restricts API access to only a few specified, trusted IP addresses. This adds a crucial layer of defense against unauthorized use. Remember, your secret key is like a password. Never share it with anyone. Always store both your API key and secret key in a highly secure, encrypted manner, such as a dedicated secrets manager. Furthermore, make it a practice to regularly review your API keys and revoke any that are no longer actively being used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.